Hello YouTube. It is Amari living life now. Better than a neat life. I renamed my channel and I decided Amari living life because I'm pretty much living my own life through this channel, and hopefully I'll be getting more subscribers and I'll be going through the day. So I brushed my hair, and yeah, this is the new hair color. So I know the clock's off the wall. There's gonna be more to it, to my vlog. I want to like do better, and I don't know, but I will see you in the next spot. I recently got a new pen, which is this one, and it's by Smoking Sheep Art. Be sure to go over there, give good reviews, and buy this baby. Not from me, but you know what I mean. It's this one. And I'm happy that I got my collection growing. I got an action figure coming in from the UK pretty soon. Quicker than I expected. And it's like I got a collection going on and whatnot. Yeah. I'll show you the rest of my collection that I got going still. I'll be getting a D&D set of a Grimmsnarl pretty soon too. So this is what I got. I made this one and this one. And then this here are the cards I got for my collection. And also a card holder right here. And then there's Listus and I forgot the Markram's name, but yeah, that's them. Both of my girls on the bed. I made the bed. So, and I got incense going on, and Paris is just happy. Paris is just happy. Yeah, it's just a happy girl. Definitely need to get that bump checked. So, oh goodness. Oh goodness. You're so cute. You cute too, London. Yeah. Just a little bit of entertainment for y'all. I forgot. I totally forgot that I was going to stream earlier today. I need to put my alarm on for 3 o'clock. I'm a bit late on my stream. So, I lost track of time and shit. Definitely would have to let Twitter know, like, hey, I lost track of time. I'm going to take the day off and whatnot. So, yeah. Going to be watching some Amberlynn Reid videos and whatnot, and got to figure out what to do about what to draw for my next video for Amari Strawberry. Amari Strawberry is my art account now instead of a vlog, and it's all a mess though. I need to like delete some videos. Oh, and yeah, well, I'll see you then. I will be seeing you then. hopefully the next day will be better. I need to put my alarm on. Anyways, I'll see you then.